What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? You guys see I got the chat on the side? It's kind of sick, right? Let me make it a little bit bigger, actually. All right, chill. Yeah, I figure. I mean, it's like, it's gonna take that space anyways. So what's up, everybody? I'm a little tired today, but we're gonna get through it because it doesn't matter how we feel. It matters about the work. You know what I'm talking about? So just give me a second. Sorry. Yeah, I'm still got that like cold from yesterday or whatever. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah. What's up? Some math for Red One. We can do math. Yeah, no problem, dude. Ethan wants to do some math too. Chip, you were in the chat yesterday. We did the ELA yesterday. Yeah. Hey, auditioning. Yeah. We can. What happened to my thumbnail? Oh, I just have I got a lot of submissions, Leo. That's all I can really say. Oh, this isn't even on the screen, dudes. I am. All right, hold on. Time to lock it down. We got DeepMind. We got diagnostics. Yeah. So check it out. If you haven't been to my website yet, highly recommend it, dude. Dude, yeah, go get some karate in Furnace. Andrew Ma wants to do some math. Okay, we can do some math. Yeah. Yeah, dude, so we can do some math today. I was actually hoping to start with some math. So we can do that math to start. I want to go over some ratios. Maybe we can even kind of get into graphing just a little bit, just in case. I also want to get into exponents because those can be tricky. Maybe some word problems too. I actually have some word problems in my mind that I think we can do. I don't know if it's going to be a super stream today, man. I don't even know if I'm going to last the whole hour, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just like, what? Yeah, 8 a.m. is really early. That stinks. What's up, Muster? Tootie. Yeah, I am pretty. That's true, Tejas. Yeah. You're taking the test on Saturday? Good luck, bro. You can do it. Okay, the music's a little loud. I can turn that down. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a super stream today. Yeah. You can always go to yesterday's stream and pretend. You can pretend like yesterday's stream is today. We need a super stream. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Do your question. Okay, we can do that question, Aniket. This actually would be a good time for that. Yeah, and as to Labor, I would say yes to study for that SAT. Because the SAT, you can get a perfect on it. Like, it's totally, if you study hard enough, once you're in high school, like, there's only so many things you're going to learn. So yeah, you can get a perfect on the SAT for sure. The SHSAT, there's so many variables. It's like hard to 100% prepare yourself. But it's not really about getting a perfect in the SHSAT. We need all the hardest questions today. Okay, we could do that. Let's start off with this question that Aniket sent me. Let me pull it up, actually. Okay, yeah. Where did you, okay. So, oh my gosh. 2 equal parts. So that's equal and that's equal. Oh my gosh. 13, so that'd be 6.5. Ooh, that's a hard question actually, but we can do like a version of that. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, see you, Red. See you, Red One. All right, bro. So let me actually start with a ratio question that I was thinking about that I kind of wanted to challenge you guys with just to see if you could get it. So let me see if this works out, actually. I want to make sure that this is good. What should you do to prepare for the test, Diara? I would just study. I mean, study, you can go back and look at all the streams. I have a lot of content, just like legit straight videos. They're pretty short, but if you have any gaps in your knowledge, you can go through those videos and just kind of like brush up on them if you're like a little rusty or whatever. Um, so let's see. I want this to be 6 to 11, 3. Then I want it to be 1. So 4, 24. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So here's your first question. Let's get it. Yeah, exactly, Ethan. Just like keep the rust off of it, you know, just keep working on it, that type of thing. It's in my Gmail. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, send a question. Aniket, that question is a little tough here. It's a little tough. Oh my gosh, my computer is like dying. That's so funny. All right, we got some answers coming in. 9. Ooh, I saw that pew too late, bruh. Auditioning, Ming, Nahar. Nice, huh? All right, you guys are good on this. All right, all right, all right, all right. Tejas, Farhan, dude, Waddy, Fall. Good job, Fall. Havocs. Whoa. Huh? Wow. You guys crushed this. Oh my gosh. Ethan. All right. Lord, Ranger, dude, Anuj, Jason. Oh my gosh. All right. You guys crushed this. And that's also about as much time as you need. So keep in mind that whenever they present to you guys a ratio, that's in the simplified form. You know what I mean? So we just need to check to make sure that that is that we can unsimplify it basically. So just like a fraction, you know, if this is fresh to you, just like a fraction, like if the simplified version of a fraction is 3/7, that fraction could also be, if we times it by 4/4, that could also be 12/28, right? And that's what I'm talking about. Notice how both of these numbers get multiplied by the same thing, right? So we could have set up this problem to be 3/7 times x over x equals 12/28, and it'll be obvious that x equals 4. That's going to be our multiplier. So we're going to talk about how to find the multiplier with these ratios, yeah? There's 39 items. So we know that this 2 times whatever the multiplier is, plus the 7 times whatever the multiplier is, equals that 39. So we get 9x equals 39. Oh, that's on 11. Duh. Oh my gosh. That's so bad. All right, so get rid of all that. We don't need that. Let's start new. So 2x plus 11x equals 39. I made this problem and I don't even remember it. 13x equals 39. x equals 3. So I think Lord pointed it out in the chat. I like totally forget. But if x is 3, then that means that this ratio, when we unsimplify from 211, that's going to be 6 and 33. And that makes sense because then that adds the 39. Now, we want the ratio to eventually be 1 to 4. This will be our 1. So what would be our 4? Well, if our 6 is 1, and that's not going to change, what is 4 times 6? 24. So how to get from 33 to 24? We have to subtract 9. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the chat got it. Noise. Good job. All right, Shad, I just got your email, dude. Let me check it out. Oh, you're dipping into these, huh? Yeah, that's way too advanced, Shad. I'll make sure to email you back, but that's just so everybody else knows that Shad just sent me a question about graphing a circle. So graphing is probably not going to be on the test. Graphing a circle, probably not. Okay, that is kind of interesting. Very interesting, actually. I'm going to do a question that's kind of similar to that, just so that you guys can see. I have been, oh my gosh, where did that go? Dude, the chat is like so smart. All right, cool. Yeah, we can do that problem, actually. I'm going to do a problem like that. Just to test you guys, I guess. Dance, just got your email, bro. Let's see. All right, cool. So, guys, here is the first question. I've been taking countless forms of SHSAT study, 93%. Is that good enough to get into STI? I would recommend that you go watch my video, Hack the SHSAT. It doesn't matter your overall percentage. It matters on your each how are numbers created? That's a good question, Dan. Dan just sent me an email saying how are numbers created. Very nice. Okay. Yeah. You got a weird time. All right. Yeah, it is a lot of stress. But dude, congrats for getting into Bronx Science, Sean. That's what's up. Okay, cool. So let's get into this problem. I'm legit gonna only give you guys a minute and a half for this guy because I know you guys can do this. So let's get it. Minute and a half. Let's go. Dude, that is so whack, Ethan. For them to assign things like that when you have this test coming up. It's like, aren't you aware? Don't you know what we're trying to do here? Oh, man. Ooh, 8 a.m. Sunday. That is heinous. Just, Drizzy, make sure that you can get to the testing location in time. That's all I'll say. Okay, so we got some answers coming in. Ming got B. Ming got you. Chip. Redwan. Nice. Jason. Zhang. Rodney. Jason. Got you. Nice. Anuj. Tejas. Crunchy. Abbas. Nice Abbas. Yang. Zhao. Gosh. None of them work? Ooh, I would watch out, dude. I'd watch out. Oh, is there a typo in this? No. There is a typo in this. Ah! All right. I made a typo. you guys are going to hate me. You guys are going to hate me, but I have to fix this typo. I have to fix it. Oh. uh, good job, everybody. By the way, guys, you just passed the first test. That's right. This was a trick question. Good job to everybody who realized that there were no answers. Good job. Really, really nicely done. All right, I need a redemption for this. Dudes, I'm telling you, I tried to turn my brain on today. I really tried to turn it on. It just would not turn on. So let me redeem myself, okay? Let me redeem myself here. Oh my gosh. All right. So hold up. All right, so let me get my answers in here really quick. Um, let's see here. Trying to be a little bit difficult for you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, 1 second, guys. Let's make this a. Mm, mm. Okay, guys, I finally have a decent question for you guys. So let's get it. For what values of x does x times x squared plus 8x plus 15 excuse me equal 0? Dude, you live in Bayside and you want to go to Bronx Science? Ooh wee, boy. Dude, nice. Dude, a lot of people getting a nooge. Gotcha, dude. All right, dude. Finally, a good question. Dude, that last one was so whack. I'm like trying to wake my head up so bad, but it's hard sometimes. Mink. But dude, I want to like pass that. Thanks, Poke. How do you do this quickly? I'm about to show you guys. All right, so that is about as much time as you guys get. Now, this is a really good example of what the SHSAT can do. Because although you may not know how to break down these quadratic formulas, you know what I mean? And that's what this is. And a lot of you guys may or may not know how to FOIL, how to reverse, break down the FOIL. If you're interested, you could always look at my FOIL video. That's a thing. But for the time being, what matters the most is not that you do every single question perfectly. The only thing that matters is that you get the right answer. So for this, we have possible choices below us. So why don't we plug them in and see if they work? Well, for this first one, 0. This x is times whatever's inside here. So let's just say whatever's inside here is 15. Well, if it's times 0, this whole thing will be 0. So we know for a fact that 0 works. And I see a lot of people might have plugged it in, got that 0 works, and then stopped. But you can't stop. Just because you see an answer that you really like, you always should give due justice to the rest of the answers. Because this one has a 0 too. Does -3 work? Well, this would be 9. This would be -24, and that would be 15. So 9 minus 24 plus 15, bros, that equals 0. What if x is -5? It'd be 25 minus 40 plus 15. That equals 0. So yeah, the answer is D. Good job, bros. Really nice. Yeah. I can make your question easier, Aniket. Yeah, we can do a question like that because you were asking me yesterday, so I'll pound that out really quick. Yeah, and if you guys are interested on how to do that legit, like without just plugging in your answers, you could always look at my videos on foiling in the advanced math like kind of playlist, I guess, area that I have. All right, so Aniket sent me a question. It's a little difficult, but I'm going to scale it down to like an SHSAT style difficulty. All right, that works. Tootie, why is this your name? I don't know. It just started happening. I think it started in the Discord or started in the OG streams. I forget, but now it's just like a thing. I kind of like it. All right, cool. We'll do that. All right, so what could this be? Well, okay. Let's see. If that's going to be, let me just think of some numbers that would be legit. That could be, okay, so this would be, hold on. I don't want to do another like question where we we have to like do it again. So hold on. I want to make sure this is fresh. 5. Okay. I'll do this and that. We'll do 8 and that. Okay. Okay. All right. Cool. Oh, that's right. Tay just started it. My bad. So, all right. See you sing. All right. So let's just say. Oh, whoops. Hold on. That won't be the perimeter, actually. That'll be the area. Okay. Is this enough information? Hold on. So let's see. I think it should be enough information. Hold on. Maybe it's not. All right. Okay. Here we go. Here's the question. Shout out to Anakit for the submission on this one. Let's get it. Why didn't we plug in the numbers from the x outside? We did, and that's how we got x equals 0. So you could distribute that x from the previous problem. But if you just plug in the numbers and plug in 0, that x from outside the parentheses will make the whole thing 0. Oh, Shad, you sent me an email? Thanks, man. I would make Danny DeVito young forever. Yeah. Just because I think he contributes more to our great nation. Oh, what are you guys trying to find? Okay, all right. Dude, I like try not to mess up, but I totally mess up. I want to know what BE equals. No. I want to know what here. Hold on. This is happening. Okay, this is what I'd like to know. Let me zoom out a little bit. We're gonna have to do this on the photo, but all right, bros. Here's the question. All right, let's get it. I like that. Dude, my brain is dead today. What is going on? Dude, let that be a lesson to you guys. Make sure that you warm up your brain nice before the test. Like last night, I was working really late and I had to wake up and continue working. So it's like, no break, dude. But like, if you guys get an opportunity Friday night to like kick it and relax, then do that, bro. Do that. It will help you so much, I swear. All right, so we got some answers coming in. Huh? Poke. Muster. Chip got a 32. Chip. Pew. Xiao. Wiz. Nice. Liang. Word. Leo. Prominent. Whoa. Dude. What? Everybody is crushing this problem, Cheetah. Sorry. Maybe the bandwagon's real. I don't even know. I don't even know anymore, guys. I'm like delirious. Zrizzy. I will be so fresh tomorrow, though. I promise that. Ghost. Got you, Ghost. Wow. You don't know how to do this? Fuse. We'll go over it, bro. Don't even trip. Shade. Got you. Kush. Waddy. Phoenix got 38. I hope that's not a typo. I saw that 38, Phoenix. Okay, so you guys absolutely crushed this. So let's get into this and let's like break this problem apart. Guys, Pythagorean theorem all day, every day. So we know that the perimeter of the rectangle, we know that the area, so the area is enough to figure out what this side AC is. Because if we know the area is 96, 8 times what equals 96? Because it's length times width. And the answer there is 12. So we know that this is 12 down here, which means that since this is a bisecting thing, that's 6 and this is 6. Okay. Which means that this is 6. Okay. Which means, I mean, that would be 8. And which means this is 6. Okay. So we're starting to get a little bit of an idea of how to solve this angle in here. So we have 6 and we have 8. So this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, guys, all day. Now we could do the Pythagorean theorem, 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared, but I'm going to save us a little bit of time. I'm going to go through it. 10, 10. So we have 16. We have 20. What? How did you guys get 28? How did everybody get 28? Do you guys mean 26? What? Oh, no, no, no. Okay, so all right, thank goodness. So it's 10, 8, and 10. Oh gosh. Thank goodness. Yeah, so it's 10 plus 8 plus 10, 28. Oh, dude. You got me a little bit of worried here, but we're good to go. Really, really nice. All right, so Shad, you sent a question. Let's check it out. Is this an SHSAT style problem? Whoa. Yeah, that is a very, very, very interesting question. We can definitely do something like that. It'll be hard to draw, but we can definitely do something like that for sure. All right, so yeah, go to bed, dude. I know. I'm like, it's literally, I could probably take a nap right now and sleep for the rest of the night, for real. Can we do another question like that? Dude, I need a redemption. My life is a redemption. Can we do another question like this? Yes. All right. So, let me see. Where did my ruler go? All right. So check this out. I'm gonna actually skip into another geometry kind of problem here, just so we can see more diversity of like problems and stuff like that. Um, how did you find the length was 12? Because the area was 96 for the whole rectangle and one side length was 8. So 8 times 12 is 96. And then we're done for that side length. Can we do a sleeping stream? Dude, I might, bro. Text to talk. Yep, that's exactly it, Ahmed. Thanks, man. That's good stuff. Okay, cool. So here's an interesting question that was sent. And I'm going to try to do it justice drawing these circles, but I've already made it horrible. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. I did my best and I had fun. Okay. All right, cool. So hold on. Let me throw the question in here. Um, um, what could be a good question based off of this? Ooh, that would be kind of a good question. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, okay. You sent me an email in Furnace. I got you, bro. Let's see. Uh, do. My circles are in a. My circles are good, dude. They're not ugly. Okay, cool. Thanks, Jason. Yeah, appreciate that. I am an expert of drawing eggs. um, let's see. Would that even work out to be divided by? Ooh, that would not work out, would it? Maybe. Um, ooh, that could be kind of interesting. I'm actually going to change this number. Um, all right, cool. Here's a pretty decent question, I think. All right, cool. A little bit of Triforce action here. All right, so check it out, guys. It may not look it, but each of these circles has an area of 72 pi feet squared. What is the area of the shaded region? Let's get it. I am hesitant to do the handbook because of its copyright material, but I can do questions like questions from the handbook. Yeah. Um, yeah, we could definitely do a chill stream on Friday. I'm definitely planning on doing a pretty chill stream on Friday, for sure. Dude, is this too hard? I think this is too hard. Let me change this number actually, because I'm not getting any answers in the first minute. Um, so yeah, let me actually change these numbers just to make it a little bit easier for you guys. Just because I don't want to like get too deep into radicals. So let's say that 36 pi feet squared. All right, so I just made the problem a little bit easier. We'll restart the clock. Um, so it may not look it, but each of these circles has an area of 36 pi feet squared. 36 pi feet squared. Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? Just made it a little bit easier for you guys. Yeah, exactly, Poke. That's why I wanted to make the problem a little easier for you guys. Yeah, I can check the email. All right, so it is 36. Each circle has an area of 36 pi feet squared. We'll just say that. Okay, so we got some answers coming in, so we'll write them down. We got 18 feet, 18 pi. Popular answer. Zhang. Leo. Auditioning. This is how quick I was expecting it. That's how I knew something was wrong. Dance. Liang. Um, Tejas Vena. Henry. Nahian. Dan's. Got you, bro. Huh? Yeah. Dude, how do you find the diameter? Ooh, you should be able to go nice whiz. You should be able to go from the area to the diameter. Brielle. Yeah, we don't necessarily need the diameter though. That's a good point. Red one. Maroof. Dude, Havocs. Yeah, dude, you guys are crushing it. Phoenix. Dude, nice. Brielle, I think I got you. Sing. Dude, you guys crushed this. Okay, that is definitely enough time. So, guys, this looks really complicated, doesn't it? It looks like super complicated, but it's actually a little bit easier than you would expect. So, let's kind of go into it. Really, we're assuming, because even though my drawing skills are bad, that all three of these circles are the same. So if we can find the area of the shaded region in one circle, then we'll be good to go because we can find that times 3. Now, don't try to solve for the triangle and subtract this, because I have no idea how to find the area of that curved kind of triangle on the inside. So you actually have to find out what these are, each of these are. And since they're the same, they're all the same thing. So let's go into it. So we know that it has an area, each circle has an area of 36 square feet. That means 36 pi feet squared equals pi r squared. So we can cancel out the pi, cancel out the pi. So that means, or r squared feet, whatever. So that means 36 is going to equal r squared. So that means our r equals 6. Taking the square root of both sides, our r equals 6. So that's 6 and that's 6. Another thing to note is that since this is a 2 radiuses long, and this is 2 radiuses long, and that's 2 radiuses long, what we're dealing with is an equilateral triangle. So we know that this is 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. So this kind of tags on to what we were working on yesterday with part over whole, bros. So part over whole, we know our part is going to be 60 degrees. Our whole is going to be 360 degrees. So what is our part over whole for this segment of the circle? It's going to be 1/6. So that means that the area that's highlighted is 1/6. The circumference that's highlighted is 1/6. Everything's going to be 1/6. That's our part over whole, bruh. So we know that it's going to be 1/6 of this area, which is 36. So we know that this is going to be 1/6 of 36. So this is going to be 6 pi. This is going to be 6 pi. And that's going to be 6 pi. And so you get your 6 pi and you times it by 3. Yeah, you're going to get your 18 pi. Whoa. Sorry, just hit the tripod. Yeah, so that's how this one goes down. Hopefully it makes some sense. If you guys are, how do we know it's a 60-degree angle? I can tell you, bro. Because all of these circles have the same area, which means that all of these circles have the same radius, right? So if this is a radius, and that's a radius, this is a radius, and that's a radius, we know that each side of the triangle is 2 radiuses long. Now, even without knowing what the area of the circle is or what the radiuses are, we know for a fact that it's going to be an equilateral triangle. Whatever the radius is, it's going to be an equilateral triangle. Yeah, so that's how this one kind of goes down. Oh, oops. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, whatever. So we know it's an equilateral triangle. That means all the angles need to be 60 degrees. That's how this goes down. Yeah. Your ratio question? I could check it. That's a good question. That's a really good question. Okay, let's actually do that one. All right, so we're going to do that one. All right, let me pull it up. Dude, yeah, I noticed that, Tejas. I was like, oh. Yeah, do you guys see how intense the filter is? It's like really no joke. I don't know what to say. All right, so all right, this is a really good question, Anakat. Thank you for submitting this. So let's check it out. Here's the question. The ratio of goats to ducks is 7-4. If all animals, goats and ducks, total have 180 legs, how many ducks are there? Dude, you got this, Poke. You can do this, man. All right, so we got some first answers here. I don't know the answer to this, so this will be fun for all of us. Ming, Nahiyan got 20. Sorry got 20. Prominent got 40. Okay. Leo got 20. Astalabor. Henry. Dude, what's up, Henry? Ahmed got 40. Ooh, hard question. Bruh. Leo Rogers got 45. Got you, Rogers. Cheetah got 20. 15. Monster. Redwan. Jordan. Nice. Pew Man got 40. Dude, lot of different answers for this one. Ethan got 40. Whoa. All right, cool. All right. Maroof. Poke's in the building. All right, so we can go. Shad. What'd you get, Shad? You got 20? All right, Shad. Got you, bro. All right, so that's 2 minutes. Bros, this is a hard question. But for good news, though, I finally feel like my brain is waking up. Like, finally. Phoenix. Got you, bro. Yang. Eclipse got 35. Got you, Eclipse. Tejas. A lot of people coming on this 20. Singh got 65. Nice. Elizabeth Guerrero. All right, I can't write down everybody's answer, but guys, just shout out to everybody. I see you. Anisha got 20. Singh got 65. Elizabeth got 20. Ghost got 20. Okay, let me write these down. Ghost, Singh, Elizabeth. All right, cool. All right, so Singh got 65, Singh. All right, cool. Yeah, dude, so yeah, shout out to everybody who's studying. Definitely drop a like if you love studying. All right, Dan's, you got 40. All right, Dan's. All right, so let's go through this one. This is a really lovely question, actually. Shout out to Anaket for this one. It's kind of different and I like it. So let's go into it. So normally what we get is we're not looking at their legs. What we're looking at is just the number of animals. And so the multiplier is going to be the same for each. For example, if there was only 180 animals, then it would be this is reduced by the same number that this is reduced, but not actually. So we need to go into this. First off, goats have 4 legs, ducks have 2 legs. Good job if you knew that. So the number of goats, we don't know what the multiplier is. We really don't. But this is simplified. So the number of goats plus the number of ducks. But that's not going to equal 180 because this is just the number of animals. So we actually need to adjust these. So this is going to be and that's going to equal our 180 because however many ducks we have times that multiplier, they're going to have 4 legs each. Same thing here. So this is going to be 28x. This is going to be 8x equals 180. So 36x equals 180. And we have to do the division there. 180. I don't know if this will come in clean. Am I doing this right? We'll see. So I think this would be times 5. So 0. Oh, this is great. So that's our x value, 5. Okay, so how many total ducks are there? Such tragedy. So this is our multiplier, right? Remember that this is going to equal total animals here. This is just our equation for the legs. So we're going to plug in that 5 into here. The answer is going to be 20, guys. For you guys who put 40, you're counting the number of duck legs. Yeah, the answer here in this chicken scratch of absolute legendary people. Yeah, that's how this goes down. Cool. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So that was a really good question, though. Really nice, guys. Really nice. Yeah, it is 20. So we can do a little bit of redemption, but you guys all crushed that so hard. I'm like hesitant to even do the redemption. Why multiple by 4? Because that is the simplified ratio, and that's normally how we do it. But we had to adjust for the legs and then go back. Yeah. Good, Ahmed. That's nice. Ducks, yes, ducks have 2 legs. Zhao. If someone doesn't know how many legs a goat has, dude, I actually don't know. Yeah, etiquette, you could say that. You can definitely send that. You need a redemption? I see Ahmed needs a redemption. Anybody else? Um, what if someone is blind and haven't seen ducks? I honestly don't know. But they expect you to know the metric system, so I bet they know how, you know. So, okay, redemption? All right. All right. Redemption time, guys. I'm going to see if I can make a similar problem, but obviously not using ducks and goats and whatever. All right. Oh, okay. I know what I can do. Redemption, guys. Yeah, exactly, Leo. All right, so um, let's see if I can make this difficult. Um, hold on. So let me make sure these numbers work out really quick. Um, so uh, so it'll be no, actually. So hold on. So be, all right, that works out nice. So what did I say? Okay, okay. All right, cool. So here's the question, bro. Okay. VIP tickets cost $5. Normal tickets cost $2. The ratio of number of VIP tickets to normal tickets is 7 to 13. If $244 was made total, how many VIP tickets were sold? Yeah, that's true. In the summer, dude, I went back and I looked at the one of the summer streams, and it was like it was like I forget. It was like 12 people. Well, we did some good work, dude. I had to disable the chat just because I couldn't. Like, I don't want to get demonetized if the filter it doesn't work. It like showed everything. All right, we got some answers coming in. Ming, Henry, Leo, Anacat, dude, Yang, Tejas, Sing, huh? Dude, you guessed the redemption. Zhao, dude, the redemption. It's real. Auditioning, dude. Geek, dude, what's up, Geek? All right, guys, I'll give you guys another 15 seconds. Venna, Dan's, Brielle, Sunny, Dude, I hope you guys are right. Oh my god, I hope you guys are right. Geek, yeah, I got you, Geek. All right, that is enough time. Bruh. Anisha. Monster. I know, sorry. Dude, can we get an F in the chat for sorry? Infernus. Nice. Ghost. Bruh. Maroof. Wow, wow. Way too easy. Okay, Srizzy. Yeah, I can check my email. Potato. Red One. Dude, I hope the redemption is real. I really hope the redemption is real. Havocs. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Skills. All right, that is enough. Now we're gonna get into it. Yeah, it is difficult, but we're gonna get into this on how to do it, basically. All right, so let's go. So yes, if this is so difficult for you guys, don't trip because this is like super, super hard ratio. If you guys have questions on ratio, I have videos about that. So, or you could just send me an email and I'll help you personally. So let's check this out. I hope the redemption's real. I really do. VIP tickets, $5. Normal tickets, $2. That's our ratio. Okay. So we don't know what that is simplified from. We don't know how many total tickets are sold, but these will be simplified by the same number, just like those fractions in the beginning. So it will be 7x plus 13x equals total number of tickets. Okay, so this is our first equation that we can establish. But what we're looking at is total money, and that total money is 244. So we have to multiply these tickets by how much they're worth as well to get from the total tickets to how much we raised, because the tickets times however much they cost is going to be our total money made. So these VIP tickets are $5 each. These non-VIP tickets are $2 each. So we get 35x plus 26x equals 244. Chill. So we have to add these. That's going to be 50, 61. 61x equals 244. And then we have to do the division, but it looks like it's going to go in clean. Yeah, that's really nice. So that's our multiplier. So total tickets sold. Let's go back to this. The number of VIP tickets we sold was 28. The number of normal tickets we sold would be 52. So now we need to see how many VIP tickets. 28. Bruh. Dude. Redemption's real. Yes. Dude, the redemption. The redemption's real. Dude, you guys are great. Really, really, really nice job. All right. Wait, no, actually. Where is it? Where is it? Not popping up. Oh, there it is. All right. I'm gonna go take a nap. All right. It's nap time, bros. I will check my email, but after I take my nap. How about that? Yeah. What's up, Tina? No super stream today. All right, guys, I will be back tomorrow, 6 p.m. If you need to grind, if you need to study, tylertutor.com. See y'all.